In this video, we'll get to know how to create a velocity model and convert horizons to depth domain. You see the demo project included to Geospace application. This project already has all the necessary data for velocity modeling, such as picked horizons in the time domain, well information with checkshots and markers. Geospace has multiple velocity modeling options which you can find in the velocity model bar. For example, constant velocity model, modeling using processing velocity, modeling using checkshots information, etc. I will show you the process using the velocity model wizard. Set the model's name and you will see the settings window. On the first tab, you can select your velocity model type. We will use a model type that includes Wells checkshots for the main velocity information and horizons for correct velocity propagation between wells. On the first tab, you see some settings. The general section let you to set some common settings. Well tie parameters have settings for the checkshots used in the model, and the mapping parameters let you to set interpolation and extrapolation settings for different types of data. The names of the most settings describe their meaning. On the second tab, you need to add the horizons you want to use in your model and the markers corresponding to those horizons. We're adding 3 markers from the project. And on the third tab, we can select the wells to be used. I will leave all the wells for this example. After completing the settings, click the Apply button and a group of maps will be created, including structural maps built using interval velocity and maps built using average velocity. It is like having 2 velocity models at the same time. One calculates surfaces with an average velocity and other with an interval. Let's check how the generated velocity maps look like. I set the range for proper map rendering. It is clear that we have 2 bull-eye areas near wells 88 and 24. Let's try to exclude these 2 wells from the velocity model. Click Apply to recompute velocity model. Now it seems we don't have problems in these areas anymore. Create one of the velocity group views from Views bar to examine our velocity model on sections. It is also possible to overlay seismic data and velocity model, which can be additional quality control feature. It's all the basic information about velocity modeling in Geospace software. For more information or to download your evaluation copy of Geospace, please visit us at geomage.com.